This is a brief video of our 2009 Haas TL-1. It has 102, I believe, spindle hours and 72 motion hours. It came out of a technical school. Gonna run it just through the basic paces here. We're gonna start off with 500 RPM on the chuck. Now it's gonna change to 1,000 RPM here in just a few seconds. A few seconds at 1,000, now we're gonna bump up to 1,500 RPM. And our last spindle speed jump to 2,000 RPM. And now the spindle should stop. And I'm gonna go into jog mode here. And we're gonna jog the axes around. So here's the X. Here's the Z. This is rapid on Z, which I know is not impressive on a TL-1, but that is rapid. And here's a rapid on the X. And that is the functionality of the machine.